Now, here's the deal. With nearly 3,000 flights already canceled for tomorrow, good luck getting off the ground. Above-ground subway service will be shutting down for what is expected to be winter's biggest storm.
16 inches to 20 inches of snow, as much as 24 inches. For that reason, I'm declaring a state of emergency in New York City, commencing at 12 midnight tonight.
It's March 14th. There's a blizzard outside of New York City. I'm gonna go find out why people are walking around. Let's go.
Hi, it's Nikki, New Yorker. I actually have to go to the post office, so I'm hoping it's going to be open. That's why I'm out.
Hi, my name's Danielle, and I'm walking around because my parents are visiting and they've never seen more snowfall.
Hi, my name is Gus, and I live on the block. And the reason why I'm out in the snow is because I love the snow. This is winter, you know, and actually we're supposed to be already over winter.
So it's kind of turned into hail. It's getting a little painful.
My name's Wheezy. This is Lulu. She loves the snow. And I had to take her out because she hates being in the apartment.
Hi, I'm Naomi, this is Levi, and we're walking around for some groceries and some coffee. I'm Victoria. I'm Hannah. Lindy. We've never seen this much snow before, so it's a lot of fun to play. We're from Tennessee.